Hey everyone, so in today's video, it is going to be a get ready with me video. I'm actually going to be putting my hair into some crochet Bohemian box braids, and I'm going to show you how I do that because I'm going on vacation. And I'm also going to show you what my perfume of the day is, and also how I keep my hair and scalp moisturized while wearing a protective style like this. Also, make sure you stay to the very end because I'm going to show you a few of the hairstyles that I actually wore with my crochet braids. Alright, so before we begin, I want to show you guys how I helped maintain my scalp health while I wore these crochet braids for a few weeks. I normally get dry, itchy, flaky scalp, but thank you to Bayou for sending me this scalp relief solution. So basically, I will put this on my scalp and a little bit on my hair and massage it in really good. What I liked about this product is actually a liquid and it's not an oil, because I'm so used to like so many oils that you put in your hair to help relieve scalp itch, but this is a liquid, so it absorbs really quickly into the hair, and also it didn't leave any type of stains on my pillowcases. I actually felt like it did a good job keeping the flakes and the itchiness away. The only thing that I didn't like was the scent that I chose. It does come in different scents. It comes in coconut, praline, magnolia, or no scent at all. I chose praline, but I wish I would have chose no scent at all. I'm just showing you that I had no flakes, no like any type of dryness on my scalp. So I will leave the coupon down in the description box if you're interested in this. Alright, now moving on to the part of the video where it's time to smell good before I leave the house. Of course, thank you to my lovely sponsor Dossier for always sending me some lovely scents. I've partnered with them several times and I strongly stand behind their scents. They have luxurious scents at a very cost-effective price. Now the first scent that I got right here is Fruity Oakmoss. I don't know if you've ever smelt the male version for Creed Aventus, but this smells like the female version and it smells really good. The second one that I chose is Aromatic Ginger, and the reason I got it is because I actually had got this one for CJ in a previous video. It is a male scent, and I noticed that the one that I gave him was almost empty. You can see it here, so he absolutely loved this one. So I decided to order another one for him. Last but not least, I have Floral Marshmallow right here, and I had ordered this one about a month or two ago, and let me tell you, this is one of my favorite ones that I have ever ordered. I actually saw another YouTuber use this one and she bragged about how good it smelled. It really does smell good, so this is the scent that I'll be using today. It smells extremely feminine. You will absolutely love this. Alright, now we're at the part of the video where I'm going to show you guys how I put my crochet braids in. This is my braiding pattern right here. I basically did the illusion method in the front as well as on the perimeter, and then I did zigzag braids in the crown and in the back of my head. I'm going to be using this Bohemian crochet box braid hair, and I'm basically just going to show you how I put it in my hair, which is super easy. What I normally do is braid my hair down one day, and then the next day I'll apply the crochet hair. It usually takes, I would say, about a good hour to do the crochet hair. It usually takes me about 2 hours to do the braid pattern, but if you don't do the illusion method and like try to make it look so realistic, just simply braid it back, it probably won't take that long to braid it down. But to actually put the crochet in probably took like a little bit, around an hour, or like a tad bit over an hour, so not long at all. So I'm basically just going to show you how I do the front, the back, the perimeter, all of my hair. And at the end, I did go back and fill in the spaces, any spaces that I saw that needed to be filled in. And like I say, make sure you stay to the end because I do have a few little hairstyles that I wore for you guys. So yeah, if you guys have any questions or comments, just let me know.